On March 11, 2010, North Bay Hospital in Aransas Pass was acquired by Care Holdings, whose members are comprised of local physicians, business leaders, and community members that all came together in hopes of restoring the hospital into a viable, reliable, and trustworthy community hospital. They renamed the facility as Care Regional Medical Center. At Care Regional Medical Center, our vision is to be the center of health and healing in the communities we serve. And our mission is to provide compassionate health care for those who need hope and healing. At CRMC, we trust in the mission and believe in the action.
Care Regional Medical Center is located at 1711 West Wheeler Avenue in Aransas Pass, just south of Bypass 35, and is the only acute care hospital in San Patricio County. Our 75-bed facility offers a broad range of comprehensive medical services for the Coastal Bend area, including Aransas Pass, Rockport, Fulton, Port Aransas, Ingleside on the Bay, Gregory, Portland, Sinton, and Taft. The dedicated medical staff team at CRMC has received extensive training in their respective disciplines to provide the highest quality of care to our patients using the latest technology. We're committed to recruiting the best possible healthcare professionals at Care Regional Medical Center.
Care Regional Medical Center has a variety of outpatient services designed to service our patients in a professional and personable manner. Our single combined goal is to get you healthy and back to your regular life. When faced with an emergency, quick, compassionate care is what matters most. Choosing a hospital is important, and having one in your backyard is essential. The emergency department at Care Regional Medical Center is a Level 4 trauma center. Patients can access emergency services 24/7, and CRMC boasts the shortest wait times in the Coastal Bend area.
When you're in an emergency situation, your health is on the line. You need to get to the closest appropriate medical facility as soon as possible. Here at Care Regional Medical Center, you're going to get fast, quality care with a personal touch.
I went fishing real early in the morning, and I was riding back on my wife's scooter, brand new scooter, and I hit a little patch of gravel. I wasn't going too fast, but the wheels just went out from under me, and I hit the ground and had a gash on my forehead and a knot. And this arm hit the gravel, and it just looked like hamburger meat. And my knee was messed up, and I was bleeding pretty bad. We decided to go to the hospital in Aransas Pass, and we went over and went in, and we were just treated royally. I was just really amazed at the care I got.
And that's what makes Care Regional Medical Center stand out. It's the caring. It's the feeling that people get when they come to this institution.
And then Dr. Crmc came and worked with me, and I was so impressed with the time and the care that he gave me. I'm diabetic, and they wanted to be sure I didn't get an infection. I was so impressed with everything that I wrote a letter to the administrator and to the head of nurses to tell them how good everybody was and how good a job they did. I don't know where they could have gone any further or done any more.
It's a vital necessity in this community that we have this type of facility.
At Care Regional Medical Center, we're constantly updating our technology, from the new CT scanner that we have in the radiology department to getting all new state-of-the-art beds in all of the patient rooms.
Care Regional Medical Center is one of the best in emergency services, and that needs to continue. There's tremendous pressure on an emergency room to be 100% accurate every time in their diagnosis. Care Regional Medical needs the capital, they need the equipment, and they need the commitment of our community to make that happen. Because we never know when we will need the emergency department of Care Regional Medical Center. I believe in this hospital, and that is why I have approved Care Regional Medical to be the health care provider for the San Patricio County Employees Insurance Program.
I've been in this area for about 6 months, and I don't have a primary care doctor. So I had noticed this hospital down here, so I decided to stop down here and have them see if they could help me out. My experience here has been very good. The nurses and the doctors and all of the hospital staff have been very helpful and been very good, cooperative people. I've had a good experience here, and I wouldn't hesitate to use this facility again if I have another need when I'm in this area.
The surgery department at Care Regional Medical Center is another vital department in the hospital. Patients can receive a variety of day surgeries provided through our outpatient services, and patients can also receive inpatient surgical services.
My name is Dee Dee Kent, and I'm the Perioperative and Infection Control Director for Care Regional Medical Center. I've been with this hospital for 12 and a half years. The surgeons performing procedures at Care Regional Medical Center are highly qualified physicians and are genuinely concerned with your welfare. The operating room staff are highly skilled and competent. All registered nurses in the OR are certified in advanced cardiac life support. There are dedicated support personnel throughout the hospital to assist in meeting all your surgical needs. We follow up after surgery to assure that our patients have received optimal care.
Providing fast, friendly, and accurate radiological services for our community is our main focus in the CRMC Radiology Department. Our patients can expect to receive services like diagnostic x-rays, CT, and ultrasounds to be done with professionalism and compassion. We have very minimal wait times for our patients, and in most cases, we get your results to your referring physicians before you even leave our facility.
The Care Regional Medical Center Laboratory performs medical tests prescribed by your doctor in all areas of laboratory medicine. We provide a broad range of tests and treatments for our patients and community. We work closely with local physician offices, nursing homes, and other healthcare facilities to give our community efficient lab services. Patients that visit the hospital for their services are in and out of the lab quickly so they can get back to their busy schedules. For this, we consistently invest in advanced technologies to provide better services to our patients.
At Care Regional Medical Center, we provide comprehensive one-on-one outpatient physical therapy services. Our physical therapy team provides individualized services based on each patient's specific care plan and abilities. We deliver full-service physical therapy outpatient services for generalized weakness, decreased range of motion, flexibility, orthopedic rehab, stroke rehab, pain management, and geriatric rehab. We also provide comprehensive outpatient wound care services for venous insufficiency ulcers, diabetic wounds, non-healing surgical wounds, and chronic non-healing wounds. Our physical therapy team was voted Best of the Best in 2011 by the Aransas Past Progress Ingleside Index. At Care Regional Medical Center, we look forward to treating you and your family as part of the Coastal Bend community.
The specialists and subspecialists at CRMC support the emergency department physicians to provide a continuum of care.
Oftentimes, patients require the specialized medical services offered by specialty physicians. With this in mind, Care Regional Medical Center's associated physicians provide a broad variety of specialty and subspecialty medicine.
At Care Regional Medical Center, we have over 75 board-certified physicians and bring their combined expertise to every patient we see. All specialists have extra fellowship training, bringing an even higher level of capability to your care. Working together with an exemplary staff, we are here to help our community.
I am Dr. Vishnu Reddy. I'm an internist by training, and I'm part of the hospitalist group of South Texas. When patients are sick and they think that they have to go to the hospital, they come to our emergency room here, and the patient is admitted to the hospital. We don't determine the level of acuity and what needs to come in. Patients have been very satisfied in their care here. We have really advanced in our capacity to take care of high acuity situations. Our specialties that participate in the care here have broadened, and that's very significantly broadened. We have pulmonary critical care coming here that helps with all our critical care and ICU patients. We have cardiology here. We have inpatient and outpatient cardiac testing. We have gastroenterology, nephrology, and we also have oncological services. We have even gone as far as having a podiatrist on staff here. So all specialties are available, and we can deal with very complicated and sick patients too.
The CARE Regional Medical Center Geropsychiatric Center is a short-term inpatient program for the evaluation and treatment of patients 55 years and older with a psychiatric diagnosis. Many of the mental health needs of seniors are due to the difficulties in coping with changes related to aging. These problems may be interpreted as symptoms of aging, when in reality they may be medical problems which are correctable.
Our mission is to assist patients in achieving their optimal level of mental and physical health.
CRMC takes a multidisciplinary approach when working with patients and their families.
I've worked at this hospital for most of the 15 years of my nursing career. This hospital is important to me because this is the place that takes care of my family and my friends when medical care is needed for them. I know that my coworkers feel the same way, and we all work very hard to see that the members of this community receive nothing less than the very best we have to offer.
At CARE Regional Medical Center, we pride ourselves in having a team of highly qualified and dedicated healthcare professionals. We are constantly upgrading our medical equipment, and we stay abreast of medical advances so that we can provide our patients with the best quality treatments and care available.
We take patient safety and care very seriously. We are regularly involved in quality comparison studies done locally and statewide, and CARE Regional Medical Center rates very well in all categories.
So they're really great people, all of them, from the doctors to the nurses to the volunteers that work here. They all offer words of encouragement to you.
And the care was second to none.
Yeah, you couldn't get better care on the other side of the bay.
And we're so lucky that we have them here.
Yeah, we are blessed and highly favored.
We are.
My name is Jacob Quintana. I am the administrator here at CARE Regional Medical Center. I chose to come work here because I knew it was an extraordinary opportunity to be able to work in a small hospital where you could be hands-on with the patients, where you could see the fruit of your labors, and where you could really have that personal touch when you're caring for people in an acute state. Well, CRMC, it belongs to the community. The reason it was built here years ago, was because there was a need. So it's fulfilling a need for acute inpatient medical care and emergency room care and an operating room care to a market that requires it. So its responsibility is to the community to serve the needs of the people in this area of the county and the parts of the surrounding other counties. Our message to the community is we are here to provide the quality medical services that our surrounding area require and deserve.
At CARE Regional Medical Center, we trust in the mission and believe in the action.
I'm here to quickly assess your health status as soon as you walk through our doors.
We're here to ensure that you receive the highest quality of health care possible.
I'm here to fill your radiology and nuclear medicine needs.
I'm here to coordinate all your surgical needs.
I'm here to provide a compassionate healing touch to your hospital stay.
I'm here because how you're treated at CRMC is important to us.
CARE Regional Medical Center, quality health care close to home.